Hello, my name is Mark Boyer, and I'm the park manager here at Six Flags Over Texas. We're at the construction site for the Tormenta Rampaging Run, our new multi-record breaking roller coaster set to open this year. Now we're putting the final pieces on another record-breaking element of this roller coaster, the world's highest Immelmann Inversion. This inversion is not just another loop on a roller coaster. As you can see behind me, it's massive. This inversion will take riders to a height of 218 feet in the air at a whopping 87 miles an hour. Before Immelmann inversions were used in theme parks as an element in a roller coaster, they were used by fighter pilots as an aerobatic combat maneuver.
Randy W. Ball, currently the top jet aerobatic pilot in North America. I fly on the National Air Show circuit all over North America, down as far as central Mexico, all the way up into Cold Lake, Canada, and coast to coast. I currently fly a Russian MiG-17, usually in the air shows, both as an air demonstration demo and as a threat aircraft demonstration when I'm flying with aircraft such as the F-4 Phantom and others of U.S. distinction. History of the Immelmann. Immelmann is an aerobatic maneuver used in competition, but it was also originally developed by a German pilot during the World War I. The idea is while you're going one direction and the enemy airplane's going the opposite direction, you could trade all your energy and you go over the top almost like a half of a loop until you're inverted, and then rapidly roll the aircraft right side back up, and you'd be going right behind your enemy. An Immelmann starts with a push down in your seat, and you get heavier and heavier and heavier as you pull, and then as the roller coaster or the jet aircraft, and that's in my case, slows down, you get lighter and lighter and lighter in your seat until suddenly you roll